Hello, viewers. You all are welcome to my YouTube channel Learning for Success. And today I'm going to share a good news with all of you regarding the joining of the Union Bank of India for clerical post. So please watch this video till the end. And if you like this video, then please press the like button, share this video, and subscribe my channel for latest updates. So as you know that the Union Bank of India has completed its document verification, biometric verification and medical fitness uh, in the October month, and those candidates who are selected in Union Bank of India, Corporation Bank and Andhra Bank are waiting for their joining mail. So the joining was scheduled on 17th November, but due to the festival season, the joining date has been changed down. Now, new joining date is 23rd November 2020. So, those candidates who are selected in Union Bank of India, Corporation Bank, and Andhra Bank will join the Union Bank of India on 23rd November of every state. Some so your joining mail will be sent by your respected FGMO offices or regional offices, not from the HR department of Mumbai. So some FGMO offices has started their process and sent the joining mails to their uh, selected candidates, but some FGMO offices did not send the joining mail till yet. So if your FGMO office did not send you any mail regarding the joining, um, where your allotted branch address has been given and your joining date has been given, then please contact to your FGMO office regarding this. But the last date of receiving the mail is 17th of November. So before 17th of November or up to 17th of November, you all will receive the joining mail of UBI. So you can contact your FGMO office regarding this. So first of all, I want to clear that joining date for every state is 23rd November. So if you are not received the mail till yet, then no need to worry because you will join the bank on 23rd November. So first of all, I'll show you the message, a mail that received a candidate from its FGMO office regarding the joining. So this is the mail where it is mentioned posting order come mandatory induction training letter for the post of SWOA. It means there is insert a training letter for the post of SWA yani ki clerical, and this mail was sent by FGMO Bhopal. So here it is written that dear candidate, please find attached posting order induction training letter. It means in this joining mail a letter and an induction letter or joining letter attached, and where your joining date and your allotted branch address is mentioned. So you have to download this PDF file when you will get that mail. You are required to report to the allotted branch on 23rd November 2020. It means your joining date is 23rd November 2020, and you have to report on the allotted branch which address is given on your induction training letter. In case if you have any difficulty in reaching or locating the branch, please contact the HR department of concerned regional office on numbers given below or contact FGMO staff on numbers already shared with you. So in case if you get a branch but you can't reach there, or you have a problem, then you can contact some numbers, some mobile numbers given in your joining mail. So you can contact them regarding your problem, your query, any of it. So now I'll show you the posting order, a PDF file which is of 2 pages. So the first page is a posting order come mandatory induction training letter for the post of SWOA. So it is a training letter. So first point is this has reference to provisional offer of appointment. So this is your recruitment number, whatever it is, issued to you for the post of single window operator in the bank. So this is the provisional offer letter of appointment. Second point is upon successful completion of pre-recruitment formalities and being found medically fit, it has been decided by the competent authority to post you at the branch address or area given there under regional office, and you are advised to report at following address, branch address. So here your allotted branch address is given, and you have to reach there on 23rd November 2020. You have to report on the allotted branch address. Third point is in terms of clause number 17, the provisional offer of appointment, you are advised to undergo 2 weeks of mandatory induction training which will start from 23rd November 2020. The induction training will be through virtual mode. It means according to this letter, you have to take 2 weeks induction training, or 11 days, maybe it will be of 15 days or 11 days. So and your training will be virtual mode. It means your training will be online, no offline training this time. Fourth point is in case you fail to report for induction training or for joining the service of the bank on 23rd November 2020 in time, the aforesaid provisional offer of appointment issued to you will stand will automatically stand cancelled. It means you have to report on 23rd November 2020, but due to any reason, any problem, if you will not report on 23rd November 2020, then bank will accept this fact that you don't wanna join this bank and your candidature will be cancelled. So you have to report on 23rd November in any case. If you have any problem, and so please solve this problem, and you have to reach the branch, you have to report the branch on 23rd November, otherwise your candidature will be cancelled by the bank and no other date will be given by the bank for your joining. Next point is please bring following documents with you while you report at the aforesaid address. It means when you will uh, go there for your joining, then you have to uh, bring these three documents. The first one is a joining cum training nomination letter in original along with the photocopy thereof. It means a PDF file, an induction training letter which you will receive from your joining mail. You have to bring that letter there with photocopy. The second one is original photo ID. It means you have to present your original photo ID there. It can be your passport, driving license, Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID card, whatever you have to bring there with photocopy. Third point is original provisional of appointment letter issued to you by the bank along with photocopy thereof. It means you have uh, uh, at the time of DV you received a hard copy, and that hard copy, original hard copy, you have to bring there with photocopy. So uh, provisional offer of appointment letter was that hard copy, and you have to bring this document there on the day of joining. But some candidates have submitted this provisional offer of appointment letter, original letter, to the FGMO office at the time of TV. So if you have photocopy or you have a mail, you can take it as this proof. Next point is, if you are presently in service and have not submitted the unconditional relieving letter issued by the competent authority at the time of completion of recruitment formalities, you will not be allowed to join the services of the bank without submission of the unconditional relieving letter from your existing employer, and your offer of appointment will stand cancelled. So if you are working any department, any government office, and at the time of DV you submitted NOC, but now you have to submit your relieving letter, unconditional relieving letter, before the joining date. And if you fail to submit it, then your candidature will be cancelled. So you have to submit your relieving letter before the joining date. Next point is, please note that the date of commencement of training will be treated as your date of joining the service of the bank for the purpose of determination of your interstate seniority, as mentioned in clause number 12 of the aforesaid offer of appointment. It means your training will be started on 23rd November, and this day will be treated as your joining date. So your salary will be count or will be start from this date. Next point is, please note that no leave will be permitted during the training. It means 23rd November, from 23rd November you will start your online training, and no leave holiday will be given to you during that training period. Next point is, in case of ambiguity in translation, English version will prevail. So with best wishes, NCC Regional Head, Bhopal Region. So this is the, so I showed you all the mail, a PDF file, 2 pages document, which was attached in the joining mail. So when you will receive this mail, all these things you will receive with the mail, and where your allotted branch address and joining date will be printed on your PDF file. You will, maybe you will receive this PDF copy with as a hard copy by post, but can't say anything about it. But you, at the time of DV, sorry, at the time of joining, you have to bring this induction training letter or joining letter, whatever you say, to the allotted branch. So this is the important information of UBI clerical joining that I wanted to share with you. If you like this video, then please like, press the like button, share this video, subscribe my channel for latest updates, and thanks for watching.